So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about Binance trading tutorial for beginners. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So basically from here, you just gonna have to make your first account since you're a beginner. So to do that, I'll actually give you a free link right now so you can join Binance now by signing up with the provided link below in the description box to claim up to 100 USDT limited time trading free credit reward. So let's head right into this already. So basically from there we can already register for an account. So once you have registered guys of interface right here, so from there you'll see that I'm already verified. So this is the second step you'll be doing. You'll have to be completely verified. So here you can see that I have my identity verification already. So I'm not gonna scroll down, it has my personal info. But for here, you're gonna see that my account limits are 50k USD daily and 8 million USDT daily for withdrawal limits, and the rest are unlimited. So there you go guys. As you can see, this is the interface you'll be shown. You have your simple interface right here for beginners. So here you have your verification, deposit, and then trading. So once you have done your first deposit and your first trade, you'll be a complete user of Binance. So as you can see right here, this is my demo account only. So as you can see here, we have our home, market, trade, futures, and wallets. So as you can see right here, we go to home. Here you will see a few things that you will be needing throughout your trading route. So here you have your favorites, so you can place your favorites. So here I have my BNB, ETC, Ethereum, USDC, and ARPA. So there's also hot coins in the market right now. So if you're looking for hot markets in the market right now, you can see right here. So I have BNB. I also have my gainers, so which is gaining the most in the past few hours or days. You also have your losers with 24-hour changes right here. So you have your gainers and your losers. You also have your new listings. So you can see new coins in the market right now which are trading, and with the 24-hour change, which has the highest and which one is the lowest. You also have your 24-hour volume right here and your market cap. So as you can see right here, those are just a few things that you will see. As you scroll down, you will see your discovery page. So from here, you will see your famous artists or your YouTube creators, even content creators that are here in Binance. So you can follow them, so you can do it with Binance announcements right here also. You have your following announcements, news, academy, and you have your live too. So let's move on from that. So the first thing you'll have to do is actually deposit. So you can buy and deposit crypto. It's pretty simple. You can do it via bank transfer, credit or debit card, or P2P trading. So for more details, you can actually head on to the website of Binance for these, but I'll explain to you in a simple manner. So here you have your deposit. So here you can actually look for your local fiat currency or your actual coins if you're going to receive one. So let's just say you want to do USD. So you can deposit USD right here. So here's the currency, and it's not actually, there. USD. So you have your US dollar. There's no available payment methods right now. So let's try using another one. So let's go with PHP. Right there. So as you can see here, you can deposit in your account using this. So from there, there's actually, like I said, you have your P2P trading, or you have your P2P Express here. You can also do bank transfers, credit, and debit cards. So if you want your e-wallet, your online banking, or you want P2P Express, you can choose right here. But do know that there is also a 1.8% fee for those. So we're going to go with P2P Express, of course. So here you want to buy, and here you can also sell. So you can only sell if you do have in your account. So here you can buy crypto. So you can buy amount. So it says here you have to buy the amount within 557 and above. So you can only do that. So let's do 800 right here. So you can buy USDT right here. So here you can see you have your local banks where you can actually pay them and confirm your purchase. So I'm not going to do a purchase right now, but this is just an example on how to do so. So as you can see right here, you have your Gcash, Say Bank, and other bank transfer types here. So once you have bought your first crypto, the next one to do is, of course, trade it. So you can deposit your crypto actually. So here we head onto our wallets. So you can deposit your crypto into your spot or funding accounts. There's spot and funding accounts. So you also have your earn, USDM futures, CoinM futures, cross margin, isolated margin, copy trading and options, and other things like that. You also have your trading bots, which is pretty useful in the long run. So here you can deposit your crypto, like I've said, so USD. So if you're holding your USD right now, you can do that. But we are going with their PHP since it's not available. So you just select that, and then once it's deposited in your account, you can do that. So next is you can start trading. So when you trade, there is a lot of options you can choose from actually. So as you can see right here, you have your spot, margin, futures, and options. So there's a market. If you hold a certain coin and use it to pay for trading fees, you can receive special discounts, especially on 25% on spot right here, the one we're on right now. And the margin is margin right here. You can actually receive 10% on futures too. So if you're a VIP user, you can actually receive a 25% discount on top of your VIP discount. If you want to know about that, you can do that using your BNB coin, and you can learn that in the Binance website. So right here, you have your spot. So let's just do a simple trade right here. So as you can see, oh wait, it's not refreshing. There you go. So you have your spot margin. So here you'll see the red. So what is the red one? So this is what the selling price is actually for BTC against USDT. So you can search what type of coins you're trying to go against it. So you have your BTC against USDT right here. You can see the percentage right below that. It's 2.21% and increasing. So you can see here, you can change in your settings. You can change your local fiat currency so that you won't be confused. So here it's trading on dollars in the green right now. So it's 43,552 for Bitcoin against USDT. So right here, you will see that there's asking price right here of 43,554. And right here is the buying price. So the one in the right side where the amount is the BTC, that's how much Bitcoin it's selling for, while on the left is the price. So here you can buy and sell. So you can do a stop limit or a market or a trading stop depending on what you want. So here you will place on your price and the amount of Bitcoin that you want to trade for. So let's just do 1 Bitcoin. So here, let's see that the buy max is right here. It's 0.00 BTC and the estimated fee is going to be 0.0075 BTC for buying this. So once you buy BTC right here, you can actually buy it, but depends on your balance. So here, you can transfer between your wallets. If you have your funding, you have your assets in your funding, you can transfer it to spot, and so on and so forth. So there you go, guys. That is basically how you use this. So you can actually check on your markets too. And here you can also check on your actual grid. So right here, this is the actual grid for BTC against USDT. You can go for its info and trading data. So there you go, guys. That's just a simple tutorial or a beginner's guide on Binance, and that is how you use it. So that is all for today. I hope you like this video, and see you again next time.